Today, we're diving deep into one of the most advanced pool cleaning systems on the market, the iGarden Pool Cleaner K60. Sitting in the price range of around $1,000, this premium cleaner is all about convenience. With up to 10 days of battery life, but can a robotic cleaner really save you time, deliver spotless results, and justify the hefty price tag? Hey guys, welcome back to your place for the latest tech reviews and concept renders. This is Enoylity technology, and before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Unboxing. The unboxing experience immediately sets the tone. Inside the box, you get the iGarden Pool Cleaner K60 unit, an AC power adapter for charging, a hook for easy retrieval, a concise user manual to get you started. The packaging feels robust, and every component is arranged securely to prevent damage. The moment you lift the K60 out of the box, you can feel its premium build. It's solid, yet sleek. Design and build. The K60 Pool Cleaner represents a harmonious blend of sophisticated design and unparalleled functionality, redefining the landscape of pool maintenance technology. Its striking aerodynamic profile, characterized by flowing ergonomic curves and bold, eye-catching color accents, immediately establishes a new benchmark for aesthetic appeal in the industry. However, the K60's true brilliance lies not only in its captivating appearance, but also in its meticulously engineered performance. Equipped with expansive, high-traction wheels and constructed from exceptionally durable materials, it effortlessly glides across diverse pool terrains, conquering everything from gleaming tiles and sturdy concrete to challenging steps and variable slopes with ease. Every component, from the ingeniously positioned ventilation slots to the precisely contoured body, has been painstakingly crafted to optimize water circulation and ensure dependable, long-term operational reliability. Moreover, the K60's robust, protective outer shell provides an impenetrable barrier against the corrosive effects of harsh pool chemicals and the damaging influence of UV radiation, guaranteeing a consistently dependable and remarkably long-lasting companion for all your pool cleaning needs. Key features breakdown. Here's what makes the K60 stand out from conventional pool cleaners. 1. 10-day battery life with AI timer. With its smart AI timer, the K60 automatically activates every 3 days for 1 hour of cleaning. This optimized cycle means the robot can run for 10 days on a single charge, without manual intervention. Turbine-grade impeller. The K60's impeller is not just any ordinary motor. It is crafted to the standards of turbine-grade technology. This design is meticulously engineered to generate maximum suction and water flow, ensuring that debris, dirt, leaves, and even the finest particles are efficiently and effectively removed from your pool. 2. Optimized flow system. This innovative system significantly enhances circulation during the cleaning process. By doing so, it effectively reduces stagnant spots in the pool, which can lead to the accumulation of dirt and algae. As a result, the water remains fresher for an extended period, providing a cleaner and more inviting swimming environment. 3DS path. Navigation. In contrast to cleaners that operate using random patterns, the K60 employs advanced mapping technology to meticulously plan its cleaning route. This ensures that every inch of your pool is thoroughly covered, eliminating the risk of missed spots. By optimizing the cleaning path, the K60 avoids unnecessary time and energy wastage, making it a highly efficient choice for pool maintenance. 4. Touchscreen interface. The K60 features an intuitive full-screen touch interface that simplifies the cleaning process. With just a simple tap, you can easily start, stop, and switch between different cleaning modes. This user-friendly design makes it accessible and comfortable for even first-time users, allowing them to manage the cleaning process with ease. 5. Turbo 200% mode. For those challenging situations, such as dealing with stubborn debris or cleaning up after a storm, the K60 offers a Turbo 200% mode. This mode doubles the suction power, providing an intensive cleaning solution that effectively tackles tough messes, leaving your pool spotless and ready for use. 6. 180 micron filter. The K60 is equipped with a precision-engineered 180 micron filter that captures fine particles that are often overlooked by most cleaners. This advanced filtration system ensures that your pool water is left visibly sparkling and free from impurities, offering a superior level of cleanliness and clarity. Performance and battery life. Performance is where the K60 truly shines. On a single charge, it can run for up to 6 hours per session. But what makes it exceptional is the AI timer feature, which automatically schedules cleaning cycles. Once activated, the K60 will clean the pool bottom every 3 days for 1 hour, ensuring your pool stays spotless without any manual intervention. This smart scheduling allows the device to last up to 10 days on a single charge, as it efficiently spaces out cleaning sessions for optimal battery management. Its adaptive torque system ensures that it doesn't get stuck. Whether it's walls, pool stairs, or awkward corners, the K60 keeps climbing and cleaning, ensuring full coverage. In the vast market of robotic pool cleaners, the K60 distinguishes itself through its exceptional blend of endurance, intelligence, and user-friendly design. Unlike many other cleaners that require frequent charging or operate with random cleaning patterns, the K60 addresses these issues effectively. It boasts a long-lasting battery life, ensuring extended cleaning sessions without the need for constant recharging. Additionally, its smart pathfinding technology allows it to navigate the pool efficiently, covering every area with precision and minimizing missed spots. This combination of features makes the K60 a standout choice for pool owners seeking a reliable and effective cleaning solution. Conclusion: the iGarden Pool Cleaner K60 is a premium investment at $1,498, offering a reliable, powerful, and nearly maintenance-free cleaning solution for homeowners seeking consistent results without the hassle of manual cleaning or unreliable alternatives. So if you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. This is Enoylity Technology, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, peace out.